one way to capture new leads is to, of course, add them yourself or have them added by someone in your team. But if you want to go direct to your customers or your prospective customers and capture new leads from a website somewhere, probably your corporate website or promotional website, you can do that as well. So in this video, we're going to take a look at the web to lead feature and how to set that up with simple sales tracking. So if I click my name here up the top of the page and choose web to lead, that'll bring up the form to generate them. Now, in order for this to work, it's worth pointing out right now, we'll just open this up in a new window here. Your admin person, or if you are the admin person, will need to enable this for it to work. So it gives you the ability to turn the feature on and off if you want it to work or not. So in this case, it's not actually turned on, so we'll turn it on, save the page, and then pop back over to creating it. So from here, we can choose if what fields do we actually want to capture. So we're actually building a form. Think of this as a bit of a form builder. So what do we want to call the top? Tell us about your interest. And we can say, okay, we want to capture company and first name, last name, and maybe mobile phone number. You can change what that will actually say. So mobile phone, for example, we could say that. Now that's going to be stored in the mobile field within Simple Sales Tracking. So, but whatever you want to actually display in the form that would be on your website, that's what you'd choose for the label here. You can also capture your custom fields as well. So, if, say we wanted them to enter an industry or product name, then we could do that as well. So once we've done that, we can then build the form. So we can choose, what's on the button. By default, it'll have a powered by Simple Sales Tracking. You can turn that off. There's also the default thank you page. So when someone enters the form, they'll be sent to this page to say thanks for entering the information. And you can choose that page to be anything you like. So in this case, anyways, let's build the form. And scroll back down to the bottom of the page, and you can see a preview and the code that you need. So the preview shows just the fields that we chose to have included in the form when we built it. You can see that it changed from mobile to mobile phone because we added that. We also changed the title of the form, and there's no powered by button because we chose to take that out. So there's the form and that's how you would look on your website. It will pick up on the style that you've got on your website. It's going to pick up on that and use that in your and apply that to the form. Then all you need to do to get this to work is copy this bit of code. So this is a bit of HTML code. You just highlight it, copy it, and you'll need to have access to wherever your website is stored, or if you use something like WordPress, for example, you can copy it into the code section of that. And what will happen is when the web page is displayed to somebody visiting your website, they'll see this, right? They won't see this. They'll see the form that you've created, and that's it. So that's how you would create and capture new leads through the web to lead form in Simple Sales Tracking. Thanks for watching.